You reminded me of my father dropping to the college on the first day of my engineering.
Oh, okay.
It was in city outskirts, and right, at that time it was like almost 20. Wait, let me remember, 22 years back around. I didn't know anything. Like it's like right, how girls grew up. Inter college was nearby. It was
Mm.
45 minutes from my home. It was within the city. I never went to outskirts. I don't even know that other than that city where I live and go to the inter college, 12th grade, inter, we say inter, right? Other than that, I don't know anything about, other than that place, I don't know anything in Hyderabad or out of the Tamil Nadu. Okay, bye. Bye. Out of the Hyderabad, not even like major places also, I didn't know. It was that innocent. I mean, parents never send us alone, right? Anywhere,
Right, right,
generally.
right.
So my father came with me to the college on the first day, and he explained me which bus to take while coming after the college. I have written a list like 3 buses I have to change. So he told me these are the buses, this is the station you have to stop, and this is the station you have to get down. All those he explained in the evening how to come. Morning he dropped. He dropped means we both went in the bus only.
Okay, okay.
So I remember all those things when you messaged that, okay, I was dropping my kid.
Right, yeah. So
The
from
nice one.
last week onwards, he started going.
Oh, nice, nice. Oh, college started. This is
Yes, yes, yes,
it
understood.
early, right? Generally, it starts in August, September, right?
Generally, end of July or first week of August. But
August.
this
Okay.
specific course has started early because it is
Oh,
this
is
is
it nearby
one.
your home? I mean, like,
No, no, it is not near. It is like around 25 kilometers from here.
oh, that's not bad. It takes 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
1 hour is okay. So, what
Yeah.
course like? Which stream he has joined in
He
engineering?
has joined the integrated MTech 5 years course in VAD.
What is that? Integrate. Oh,
Integrated,
BTech,
yeah,
MTech.
integrated MTech. Yeah, this is MTech. This is
Oh, it
MTech.
is called integrated MTech. So they teach
Yeah.
both. So engineering plus MTech he will be doing in one college.
Yes, yes. 5 years
Oh,
duration.
oh, that's
Mm,
awesome. And he's into
yes.
computer science or
Yeah, yeah. Computer science, and that too in specialization with business analytics.
business
Computer,
analytics?
yeah. Computer
That's
science
awesome.
with the business analytics.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
Yeah. So this is yes. Yeah. So
With the knowledge
it's
you have in first year itself, he will join in Google, man, for the
right,
AI.
right.
Sure.
So, in a continuation of RNN, so this is the practical implementation of small piece of RNN. So before I started with this, because see, we almost around 85 or 90% of our, the end of the course, only the 10% remaining. Remaining is just about Gen AI and that, a couple of models. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. So
Sure.
in even before starting this, each and every class I used to give you how to get updated on a daily basis because each and every day you will be getting an update on almost. I mean, these days almost around the Gen AI technology, especially on large language models. Just now, they are talking about the small language model too, because if you focus on large language models, sometimes you lose your efficiency, potential, and other things. So nowadays, they are also focusing on small language models. So, like Spacey has it has its own algorithm. It just follows its own library. Like you did the Spotify, the Spotify, the Spotify. Python library. Likewise, there are so many libraries in NLP too. We in NLP, I just introduced the Spacey, and also I said about the pomegranate. It's all older model. So in NLP, there is one more model which I don't want to talk about, but I just wanted to give you a gist. Just wanted to give you information about this. Okay. That is called Hugging Face. Hugging Face, it is one of the NLP model. Um, so there are so many models the Hugging Face is following. Um, because NLP is a larger community, a larger AI community, and also a larger people working on NLP. Under NLP only, the Gen AI, especially the large language, small language model, and other transformations with respect to voice to text to voice, and voice, text to or voice to animated movie or video, audio, image, lot of things happening. Lot of free applications that are coming in day-to-day basis. So Hugging Face is one of it's similar to how we have we got to know about Spacey, the similar thing, Hugging Face. Just to take it as a homework, maybe in the next class, we'll be talking about. But I mean, next class or as per the schedule, I'm just going, and maybe at the end of the session, we may look around how Hugging Face, is contributing towards AI community. Okay. So before that, I just wanted to, today or yesterday, or maybe the last week or this week, they introduced a small language model. I just written an article on my LinkedIn page. If you have time, just take a look at this. This is a
Send us that
small.
link, Sunil.
Yeah, sure. So this is
Yes.
the small LLM. So this is this small LLM. It's a small large language model. Within that, in a large language model, it just focuses on very small community of data. I used to say that in large language models you can just create your own API or your own chatbot, like life sciences, banking, finance, market research, and so on. Similar way, they're just Hugging Face is just focusing on very very niche models. Okay. So yeah, so I'll be sending all these things to your email ID. So this is one of the you should know about Hugging Face. So, because you studied NLP, and we don't want to get any excuses because we are in the AI community, in the AI platform. Nobody will get to know about the excuses. We should aware of what is going on outside of the market. And even though if you are focusing on any other part of the machine learning and deep learning processes, it is up to you how you want to grow your career. But still, I would recommend you to each and every day you are just getting up and do your routine, right? AI update also should become your one of your routines. Okay, don't forget to do get an updated information about AI. So this is I wanted to tell you because it is very very important in this work, right? So this is one of the informations. I just again face just try the same kind of the library they just use the again face. Which is especially used in NLP, the natural language processing. And if you just go and search for Hugging Face code sample and other things, you will be getting it. And yeah, this is one of the like Spacey. This is also very famous in NLP space. So now they are into. I mean, whoever is in NLP, they are ultimately they will be leveling up their idea into Gen AI models. So ultimately, Hugging Face is also, doing a lot of revolution. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes some of the things, very earlier stage, some algorithm would be, it will come as a application. Okay, please go and check this model, huggingface.co. Okay, right. Fine. Okay, I think there is some disturbance. I'm not sure. Right. So coming to the RNN. So yeah. So this is the implementation of RNN. So can I just come on a Google Colab, because you are okay, I'll be sending this. Yeah. Okay, I have sent you the link which we are going to work on. So now I would want you to open up Google Colab, because just discussing it doesn't make sense. So go to your, take the Google Colab environment. The other class, we have done something. Okay, so what we do, start with this coding, coding RNN using Python. So just go to the data preparation, the step 1. So just type whatever the things are in here. Just type, and wherever you have a question, we'll be discussing one by one, and then because this is almost the end of the course. So I want you to make doing some projects or mini projects or capstone projects. That is our ultimate aim. Okay, so I think maybe within 5. It's almost 44th class today. We covered almost more than 60 hours, all these the points. If you just count the number of hours you attended, it's almost more than 60 hours. So still 2 or 3 classes. Within 3 classes, we'll be completing all our whatever I promised. After that, what I'm planning, I will be giving you the opportunity to do the projects. So we'll be doing, I'll be giving the idea on mini projects and also the capstone project. Capstone project, it's the next step of the mini project. Okay. So you just do all the the mini projects, and capstone project is the ultimate one. Okay. So you should be doing this, because until you have done or will be doing all these things, from my point of view, the course will not get completed. Okay. So this
Sure,
is
Shreya.
that is a satisfaction you are going to give it to me.
Sure.
Right. So until then, whatever the questions, I will be there. So I will be assisting you on which area you should focus based on your strengths and also your weaknesses.
Sure.
After that, we'll be having a continuous, discussion on what kind of projects you should do, so that you can showcase to your clients, or in your office, or if you are attending the interview, how you have to showcase your skills on AIML to your interviewer. So that is the separate steps I will be planning for. So the only thing is, you have to, allocate some time and you have to work or you have to come along with me. And I'm always, ready to help you until you get into AIML space. Okay.
Yes.
So just type this. I think I've sent this link. Just type and let me know. Uh, and also, while typing the code, just go to the sequence. How the step one has been done, the data preparation has been doing, and then how this Python code is working. One by one, we will go and finish off RNN process. Maybe anyone you can, I will give permission so that you can be the first. Maybe Cindy, can you give, you can share your screen. I will give you first. So just to do what is there in this the link, so that will be everyone will be watching and everyone will be doing the same process. And I made you host. You can share this. Maybe Jyoti?
1 minute. We are like I'll do 2-3 steps and then
Okay, sure.
just copy it. Mhm. I'm just doing few steps and then
Sure, sure.
Collab supports everything, Srini, surprisingly.
Yeah, they are
Generally,
upgrading.
you remember in our time, I mean, like when we were students and all, we never used to have proper environments to learn something new. You remember that? Like maybe
Yeah.
years back, it was very hard to learn a new
Hard.
subject. To set up environment itself, it used to take like 5-6 days for us.
Yes. Nowadays it
I
is
mean,
just
on our
matter of
own,
time.
like,
Mm.
yeah, like 15 years back,
Mm. No
nothing
tools like
used to
this.
work.
Yes.
Nothing used to work, even if we are setting the environment correctly and all
Nothing.
according to the
Yeah.
manual. Something or the other used to not work.
Right.
Okay,
Because
I did
I
till some
was
extent. Let me share my
okay.
screen.
Okay. I will. What I will give. I will just change first.
Share screen. Okay. I did till some points, I mean, some
Okay.
extent.
Okay.
This is not required, actually. So this is the first line of the code.
Okay.
I did read some few, but yeah, could not read everything.
Okay. So as
You
we
want?
discussed, yeah, as we
Mhm.
discussed earlier, I mean the other last session, how RNN used to take the input and in what kind of a scenario it is working. It is a sequence of data. It will be working, right? So we should know about how the recurrent part of how the recurrently they just providing the information from there how the smartness, I mean the artificial intelligence is working, especially through this algorithm. So this is how you need to get understand, so that you'll be able to implement those things in your real-time environment wherever you are going to work. Okay. So you got to know some of the information, because it is see, other than, I mean, if you understand the context which I was explaining to you the other day, then it is easy to implement what it is, and whoever just implemented will be able to know that what is the context, so that you'll also create something, because the problem or challenge for us maybe the data, right? So that you can take some sample data out of the internet, open source, and then you'll be able to work on those things. So nowadays, I mean, as you said, nowadays it is everything is easy, especially AI, because every people they are giving us the environment, because without AI you can't move anything in future or even now. So that is why every now and then they are able to make some changes, and then only you'll be able to get the work done by these kind of experts. And the experts are they are telling you and teaching you and giving you the opportunity or space, like how we have created an application using party rack. It was amazing, right? So how, I mean, can you imagine a few years back you'll be able to create an application like that? No. Now they are giving you those kind of platform. Okay. So right. So populating interactive namespace from NumPy and Matplotlib. Okay. Uh, so can you see that the PyLab, the person PyLab, the first line up, yeah, PyLab inline. So if you don't understand, just give this information to whatever the models you are having. I think I have introduced 4 models like ChatGPT. Did I to this group or just
Yes.
one? Oh yeah.
Like
Claude.
ChatGPT
Right.
and CLAUD. Yesterday you
Yes.
and the
Claude.
other one is
Claude.
Gemini. And what is the
Gemini.
other?
Other one is
Uh,
Perplexity. Perplexity
what is
AI.
that?
Perplexity.
Okay.
You can just PERPLEXYPY. Perplexity AI.
Okay. Perplexity. I mean, we never heard of that one. Let's
Okay.
search it.
Yeah, see, you get that.
Perplexity AI. Yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes. So this is
Okay. Okay.
this is also nice, and it will give it is having its own strength. So
Okay. So which is the best out of these four?
each and everyone has its own advantage and disadvantages. As of
Okay,
now, the leading.
let me be
uh,
very specific. Which is good for the students who are learning like AI and machine learning?
I would say ChatGPT improved on anything. Okay, so
Okay.
ChatGPT is the perfect one. Claude is, it is only focusing on the text.
Okay.
So if you are only looking for the text, then you will go and pay for it. And but the thing is with the Claude, you have to be the prompt should be very very. It is expecting some kind of an help from you. So without that,
Okay.
it won't. Yeah, the perplexity, what it will do, it will giving the source of the information, like
Okay.
how Google search engine is working. The similar kind of thing, it
Okay.
will just give you the videos to help us, to improve, and also the link, mainly the videos and also the URLs and also some attachments. So to be able to view. I've used all these things in every. In my experience, what I have understood and come to a conclusion, it is based on my requirement, so that I can choose. Okay, I don't want any kind of the the unwanted information. Then I will go for Claude. So Claude is one of the best tools giving you the information. So it is really amazing tool. So Perplexity is created and founded by Indian, whose name is Arvind Srinivas, uh, and he just now the Perplexity AI, it is just becoming a boom. Okay, so they set up their own language models, and they are just improving on a daily basis. So they're based out of the. Okay. So you can. And because why I was saying about ChatGPT is because it is they are pioneer, and they are keep on updating their environment. ChatGPT, they keep on updating, and now a lot of GPTs coming into your place. So that is why I recommend that. So math library, it
Yes.
is just giving you all the things, mathematical. This is a sine wave. It is sine wave also, should be in array. It is just arranging. Come down. And then NumPy, math, they are doing some mathematical. Yeah. The for loop they are using.
50 X value. Random uniform hidden. I think I ran all this. I was here.
Okay.
So we'll go to this page. This right. I was here. Okay, we can do here. Check the loss or invalidation data. So same. Step by step. Okay. Forward pass they are doing. Okay. In the corner. The forward pass. Okay. We'll go through this deeply, Srini. I mean, like line by line, at least we'll understand what steps they are doing. Okay, back propagate they are doing. Back propagate for errors, update weights. Okay, last. Okay, whatever they are calculated. Okay, train the above model to get the output. Okay. Then get predictions. We'll do forward pass through trained weights. Okay, to get our predictions. Plot these predictions along the actual side. Okay. How this was on the training data. How do we know if the model didn't overfit? Okay.
Yeah, so we always need to check about whether it is a overfit or
Overfit.
underfit.
Underfit. Okay. Not bad. The predictions are looking RMSE score. We are scoring it, how it is fitting. Okay. Okay. Predict the sine wave data. We have covered the entire process data preparation to modularization. I like it. Training and validation. Okay. I'm just reading only top things.
So you can just take through about the backward propagation and then forward pass.
The main concepts here are backward propagation, forward propagation,
Yes,
and how is it over, and weights we are doing, and we are checking if it is overfitting or underfitting, and then get the predictions and check if it is not bad. I mean,
yes,
it is good one.
yeah.
Okay. This example we'll try, Srini, today after
Yes,
the class.
please.
I mean,
Yeah.
tomorrow after the class, we'll try and we'll understand.
Mm.
So far, like whatever they have written, it's little understood.
Okay. So we'll
Okay.
go. So we'll go for another algorithm called
Okay.
as
What is that? What is that?
yeah, GAN. So it's called as a generative adversarial network. This is an important concept. Yeah,
Network.
GAN model.
Can.
GAN and Gen AI. GAN and I have even I have written a book on this and I can share it with you.
Are different?
Yeah, I have written a book on I mean GAN and also with the Gen AI, and I will share it with you. It
Oh,
will be
sure.
having all the examples and sample codes and data setting.
Sure.
Yes.
That would help us.
Yeah.
It's like a course, right? Like,
Yes, of course. Yes.
I mean, like whatever you are teaching, you
Yes,
put
the
it in
same
a
kind of yeah.
book.
Right. Okay. So in okay, so I will start with this. So unless you want to do this time. So GAN, it is also called as it is nothing but generative adversarial network. So it is the approach to generative modeling using deep learning methods such as convolutional neural networks. So whatever we have done with the CNN model, it is kind of an extension with CNN. That is why if you just started analyzing very closely all the models which is from the starts from the NLP also coming under the the convolution, but it is slightly the variation you can see because it is all the processed data of images and also some part of things which is very close to motion. I mean, the videos, video kind of thing, text to video, text to images, are identifying the face detection. The face detection is almost coming under convolutional. Yeah, I mean neural network. Those neural network is very uh, advanced architecture. Uh, From that deep learning advanced architecture, GAN is slightly different from those kind of neural network. So we'll see one by one. Before going into this, I would introduce what is it is having a slight relationship with um, neural, okay, Neuralink. Neuralink is. Did I introduce Neuralink?
No, Shane.
Okay. So Neuralink is nothing but it is a company um, founded by Elon Musk. Elon Musk company is called as Neuralink. The first set of chip, the Neuralink chip, he has operated recently, maybe 1 month or 2 months back, and he is just integrated one chip in his brain, and he started studying what is happening with that, the latest kind of chip. So right now, what is happening in the industry? Maybe the large language models like ChatGPT or the revolutions on language models. So whatever you are asking to the device, right, it is giving so much of information. But Neuralink, what they are trying to do, whatever you think, just slightly focus on this word. Whatever you think, it has to appear in the screen. Did are you following this? Whatever you think, because you are right now, we are discussing. I think this meeting will get in again. Just start.